I was just getting ready to log off of my computer and try to get some sleep. It's now 5:48 a.m. where I am. Had a late night working with some of my ESL students. And as I was about to close out, this notice popped up. It is a very recent uh, interview on CNN London with Dimash. And so I am going to watch it for the first time and bring you along with me as I watch it.
My next guest is a Kazakh singer, huge fan base, not just at home, but right across the world. Dimash rose to fame in China 8 years ago due to his unique style, astonishing vocal range, spanning 6 octaves, would you believe? You're extremely well known in Central Asia, in China as well, and the rest of the world is getting to know you a bit better now. And that vocal range is just something that absolutely wows everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You've got a classical background. Is that basically where it comes from?
Yeah, of course. Of course. First of all, I want to say a lot of thanks for having me. For me, it's a great honor to be here and
His English is getting so
get a
much
chance to
better.
say a lot of biggest respect from Kazakhstan for all our worldwide audience. Yeah, my international career started nearby 15 years ago.
Yes.
Yeah, when I was student in University of Arts in Astana. So first I got education like an opera singer, and then moved to University of Arts from Aktobe, from west part of Kazakhstan. And there I got education like a pop jazz singer. And then couple of years I learned about composition. And now still.
But you made that, you offered a role, weren't you, at the symphony orchestra in Astana, but instead you went into a contemporary route. Why did you make that decision?
Because I think neoclassical music is more suitable for my voice, for my vocal range. But sometimes I love to do some experiments. Like,
yes.
At my concerts, some vocal exercises, still learning some lessons. Just if you want to be better, if you want to improve yourself, yeah, of course, you need to do hard work every day. Pavarotti once said, after 50 years, big career in front of millions of audience, he understand how to need to sing.
Yeah.
So in that
Still
time,
rehearsing all the time.
Yes.
I know that when I was in Kazakhstan, where I first heard you, you're such an ambassador for the country, and I understand there are now tours around the school you went to and the home you grew up in. But you've been very vocal about that as well, haven't you? Because it's very important to you to sell Kazakhstan to the world, because it's a country you're very proud of.
Yeah, of course, it's my biggest mission. I become an international singer not because of I want to earn money, or not because of that kind of commercial things. I just want to explain. I just want to share with worldwide audience about our history, our traditional things, about our culture, and about peace, about love. So just welcome to Kazakhstan.
Welcome to London.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in, Dimash.
That was a nice interview. Not a lot of new information in it, but I don't know if you heard me during it, but his English is definitely getting better. You can tell, of course, that it's not his native language, but he is much more comfortable speaking English and getting better and better. So I like the fact that they again mentioned that he's not in it for the commercial aspects of the music, but mainly his love of music, his love of his country, and his desire to promote not only his country and his country's culture, but peace and love. And I think that's what made us all fans of him. So, um, in my description, um, I've got a lot of links to different Kazakh related items that are available on Amazon, ones that I have added to my collection on there. So you might want to check some of those out just to have a little bit more about Kazakhstan. And with that, I am going to close this one out. And again, asks that you have any suggestions for uh, other Dimash videos that I can research and add to the playlist, or other singers from other countries that I can look into, I would appreciate that. And just any type of critique of the videos themselves are very much appreciated. So, good night and peace.